So what's good, guys? This is Gbpusd right here. So now we want to analyze the Gbpusd. We want to slice down the hardest thing to the simplest right now. So first of all, what we're going to do is to switch to our weekly time frame. I always use weekly time frame to analyze do my top-down analysis. You use the higher time frame to do my top-down analysis. This is Gbpusd right here. So I'll switch to weekly time frame so that we'll know what the weekly time frame is telling us. So these are weekly time frame here. Okay, so what are we seeing on a weekly time frame? So the last week closed bearish. So and the market have created another higher high. So and the market is been an uptrend so far, but right now we have seen a bearish candlestick close last week here. So right now, what are we going to do? We have seen a bearish candlestick from a high. So what are we expecting? We are expecting the market to, if not to break down, let's see, we are expecting the market to come to a resistance level, to come to a support level, maybe somewhere around here. And this is a higher time frame. Understand? So maybe somewhere around here. You understand? No, this is too small. So maybe somewhere around here. Then let me draw a trend line here also, for we to know where we are expecting the market to react from. You understand? So this is the place, this is the area we are expecting the market to drop to before we see another reaction, maybe break to the downside or break up. So we are expecting the market to come down to this area, understand, before we see another continuation to the upside, or we'll see a break to the downside. Then we'll find another support level. So that's what we're seeing from the higher time frame, from weekly time frame. So I switch down to my lower time frame, which is to daily time frame, to know what the market is actually saying, because I'll do my top-down analysis from weekly time frame to daily time frame, from daily time frame to 4-hour time frame, then from 1 hour 30 minutes 15 minutes to 5 minutes is to look for my entry this thing. Right, so right now what I'm going to do, since I've switched to my daily time frame, I'll see what the market is saying from the daily time frame. And actually the market is on a downtrend right now, because just bear it in mind that this is a higher time frame, you understand, and we have seen this bearish push to the downside, and this bearish candle to the downside. That means what we are expecting, we are not expecting any sharp move to the upside yet. We are expecting a pullback before we see a distribution to the downside. So from the weekly time frame and the daily time frame, we are seeing a bearish sign. So we switch to 4-hour time frame to look for a minor support level where the market will possibly react from. You understand? So we switch to 4-hour time frame. Then from the 4-hour time frame, the reason why the market moved from from this level to this resistance level is because of this minor support level from this area. So let me mark it out. The reason why the market move like this is because of this minor support level. You understand? That's how the market work. Because of this minor support level on the 4-hour time frame. You understand? But so now, as you can see, it's very difficult for the market to break above this resistance level. You understand? Even if the market push up above this resistance level, it will be very, very difficult for this market to go above this resistance level also. So what are we expecting from on this market now, on Gbpusd? Presently we are expecting a distribution from this present level, from where the market is right now to the downside, maybe possibly another support level somewhere around here before we see another distribution, before we see another pullback to the upside. So maybe somewhere around this area, because this is another minor support level on the 4-hour time frame that we will see a reaction from. You understand? Just as we see around here, just as we see here, just as we see here, just as we see a reaction from this level, we also expect a reaction from this level, maybe possibly to somewhere around here, maybe possibly to this resistance level. You understand? Because automatically this support level will turn to this support level will actually turn to a resistance level once the market break down. So we will expect a reaction from this support level. You understand? We will expect a reaction from this support level to the upside, maybe possibly around here, before we see another distribution to the downside. Possibly around here, before we see another distribution to the downside. You understand? That's how we do top-down analysis. You do your top-down analysis properly, the market will not be hard for you. So then switch, you know what the market is saying. If you are going to lower time frame like that kind of 1 hour, 30 minutes and 15 minutes down, is to look for your entry. You understand? Because already you have known the direction of the market from the higher time frame. So what you are going to do on the lower time frame is to look for your entry, and what you are going to do is just a sell. You're not going to buy anytime soon. You understand? So you switch to your lower time frame. Let me just I'll just leave everything like this. Let me delete this, or let me just leave it. Okay, let me leave it. So you switch to, let me just say 1 hour time frame to see what the market is still saying, because you are looking for an entry if there is any possibility for the market. So if there is any opportunity in the market right now, you are going to look for an entry. So what you will do, you switch to a lower time frame like 1 hour, see what is happening, and exactly we are on the resistance level, and what are we expecting if a market is on the resistance level, is a pullback, and moreover the market is on a downtrend. So this is the minor resistance level that the market is right now. So you do your top-down analysis like this, then you'll be expecting then you switch to the time frame that you used to take your trade from. So you switch to your lower time frame like 15-minute time frame, where you wait for the market to pull back up. You understand? If I'm to take this trade now, wait for this market to pull back up, maybe to clear out this liquidity around here to this upside, then you will see a distribution. You understand? Before we see a distribution to the downside. You understand? Because the market will come this area and take out this liquidity before we see a push, the real push to the downside. So if you do your top-down analysis and you know where the market is going, all the noise in the lower time frame will not be freaking you again. You will not be listening to the noise on the lower time frame. You understand? So, but you still need to analyze your chart, to watch it very well from the lower time frame, so that you get a sniper entry. You use this smaller time frame to get a sniper entry, maybe to have a big risk to reward. You understand? So that's how we do the top-down analysis. And do well to check up on this YouTube channel, because I drop analysis on all the pairs. You understand? Every single day I drop analysis, do top-down analysis. See, if you're on this channel, you learn how to do your top-down analysis and how to look for your entry and the rest. So thank you guys.